So I'm at Michigan's Adventure. Yeah, I cannot wait to ride this beauty. It's the season pass holder preview, so I'm doing it. I mean, I just found out about it last night, and I got the tickets like last night. So yeah, if Sherman Towers is closed again, like my first visit, my disappointment will be immeasurable. Alright, it's been a little bit, but Sherman Towers is unfortunately closed. They got the new Wolverine Wildcat, but they only retract the first turnaround up portion and the first drop. Sherman Towers is closed, unfortunately. Yeah, my disappointment is immeasurable, but I'm gonna do some of the flats and the other coasters they have here. I did Corkscrew and Thunderhawk. Thunderhawk, I don't know if I chose a bad road or not, but it's rough and head banging, so I guess it's like an SLC again. Alright, I decided to leave for the day. Sherman Towers didn't really open. It is 3:40, so there's like another hour of park operation, so I don't think it'll ever open. So yeah, I'll put the complete list of rides that are open probably in the scroll, like right about here. So yeah, the Corkscrew looks really good. Mad Mouse also looks good, and they did some other little improvements, and they're also doing some active improvements I saw. Unfortunately I didn't get that on video. I can't go back in the park because I didn't get the re-entry ticket. So I'll end the vlog here, unless I bundle Indiana Beach and Great America if I go as well under this one.
2 weeks later.
Alright, what's up? It's about 2 weeks later from the previous video clip. So today I'm going to Kings Island, Columbus Zoo, and the Scene 75 in Columbus. Getting ready for tomorrow to go to Kennywood. It'll be our first ever visit. I don't know how much I'll vlog there or not. Then we'll see where this vlog goes. Alright, I'm back in. I didn't at all vlog at Kings Island. I was too busy trying to focus on riding the rides I wanted to ride. So I did Beast. The Beast ones, the retract style, actually pretty nice. Racer repaint and retract they did last year was also very nice. I hope Crowded Group does it to American Eagle. I do not want RMC to do it. Vertigo, pretty good. It's more forceful than Boomerang in my opinion, but also has a lot more head banging. They also did, of course, Adventure Express, because we kind of have to do an old Arrow. And I did Diamondback in row 10, which is the magic row according to some of my friends, but it actually is. And this way at Scene 75. In Columbus in preparation to get this +1 and then hit up Columbus Zoo afterwards. I should really say this about Diamondback. My first row, the temperature was really cold. It was running pretty poor. Then I tried it again in the back row, because back row is usually where I get the most airtime, but I didn't get all that much. But when I tried row 10, the magic row, I got floater on every hill. Good floater, not weak floater, except a little bit in the second half where it's a little weaker than the first half, but still is very good and shot up a bunch of my rankings. I just got a Scene 75, and that place is actually really pretty cool. I can't wait for the one in Romeoville that's near me to open up. That place is really cool.
The next day.
Alright, look where I'm at. I'm at Kennywood. First time here. I've been wanting to come here since I saw it in great old amusement parks. And I'm really excited to ride Phantom's Revenge. And also Steel Curtain, if it even opens.
Yeah, if it opens. That's the key.
So far, I'm really impressed. I've been in Pittsburgh area once before, but that was like 20 some odd years ago. I don't remember much. But it's actually pretty nice. Reminds me a little bit of like the Knoxville area, but not quite as nice. Really cool entrance.
What is the last alive?
I'm already in love with this park. Woo! I'm at Kennywood.
We're at Kennywood. Good night. Alright, I'm going to
like this park.
Let's go.
Kennywood, always a good time.
Yeah, if Steel Curtain's open. I didn't want to get your
Hopefully it is. Kennywood College. I'm really liking it so far. Windmill. Yeah, this park's already pretty nice. There's Steel Curtain. Where we're going to first. Hopefully it's open. Alright, so Steel Curtain's closed, so we're doing both sides of Racer real quick. As is like only 10 people in front of me. Both sides of Racer, I gotta say, it was pretty fun.
So, I won both times because I already had the full credit, so I just rode the same side twice.
I don't think Steel Curtain is open.
How's it feel to have a 500 record when you could have a 1,000 record?
I don't know. So since we did Racer, we're going to do Jackrabbit because that is closed. So I'll see you after that. Well, not gonna get to this. So it is terrible. The laterals on that are insane. They're like CCI, but CCI on crack. So now we're doing
mega terrain coaster as well.
So now we're doing Phantom's Revenge. I've been wanting to ride this for years, decades probably. Now I finally get to do it. I'm about to ride Steel Curtain for the first time. It actually opened.
Guaranteed to deliver. Right you are, Billy, and it's a good idea.
One train out from
Second public train of the day. Let's go. Hopefully.
Yeah.
Leave them with a non-rider or put them in the bin on the exit side of the platform. Good idea, Billy.
The line is
Or with a teammate. Either way, let's keep it
getting more. They appear to be working on it, so I had no idea if we're even going to get a chance to ride it yet. Hopefully. I really hope it happens. He's not happy. This is the only credit he needs here. Well, we'll see. Just got off Steel Curtain.
Let's go Colts, baby.
Go Bears.
Oh, yeah, well, just not the Steelers.
Well, it was fun. Had a little bit of a vibration, but it wasn't awful. It's about similar to like a typical coaster. Oh, Racer has no weight whatsoever. Alright, I'm in this line for Phantom. Shut down for rain. It was pouring pretty heavy, but now appears to be lit up. Hopefully we'll get a nice slick track ride on it, where it'll be that much more insane.
The zoo lied to me. I literally.
So I just got off of front row on Jackrabbit, and I saw God.
there's a magic hill if you sit in the front. Like, I think the ride overall is better in the back, but there's a magic hill on the front.
Oh,
the
yeah.
camera hill.
The camera hill is insane. It is insane. Oh, so they're playing that song from It's Always Sunny. I really, really like this park. You haven't seen Sunny yet?
No.
Oh, Sunny's great. Alright, so we just got off Turtle.
Turtle.
We like turtles.
Turtle.
And now we're doing Thunderbolt in the back row. I don't know why. Is this camera lens?
This is a video.
Yeah, it's camera lens is now better. But this ride is that ride. I don't know what it is. I'll put it. I don't remember what it is. I'll put it down right here. But yeah, now we're doing
Like,
Thunderbolt.
comment, subscribe.
Yeah, do that if you haven't.
Thunderbolt, baby. Let's go.
In the Thomas ride. Will B is very excited. Or would be very excited.
I didn't watch Thomas.
Shame. Alright, so there were Phantom. I don't know how well you can see it.
I got a Phantom bruise. Look at it. It's big. Be careful when the ground is slick because your foot will slide forward. That is all.
It didn't happen to me, but
No.
Phantom is amazing. It's better than I thought it would ever be. I suppose this will, we're gonna head out of the park, head to that one random +1 that is kind of a funny credit for me, in my opinion. I had no idea that Music Express goes backwards. The best ones do. But I figure I'll end it here and pick it up at Fun for All Family Park.